Welcome back, Spicy Shana Gang. This your girl Spicy Shana coming back with you with another video. As y'all see by the title listed below, what this video consists of, I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to pack inside my toiletry bag. Some might know, some might not know, but my birthday is soon approaching and I'm going to Miami. I just want to show y'all all the necessities that I have to bring with me when I go away, the things that I packed in my toiletry bag. I call all my new subs and subby subs Spicy Shana gang. Tell a friend to come on over to Spicy Shana channel so you get to know me, I get to know you, and we be one big happy family. It's very cold in my house today. I know it's cold outside, but it's really cold. So that's why I still have my robe on. Sorry for my appearance, but it's cold. But anywho, I already opened my bag, like a little Pelican bag that I ordered from off of Amazon. I just opened it too. Just opened it. So I'm going to show y'all every item that I put in here. This bag has a lot of departments as well, which is cool. I don't know how it's going to fit my suitcase, but I'm going to make it do what it do. A lot of departments. Alright? So let me just show y'all what I have in my bag. What I'm putting in my bag. Lego. So any other time when I normally go away, I normally would go with plastic bags, which is not cute, but I still do it. And then I have stuff like separated. So I figure if I get a bag, toiletry bag, it'll look better because keep going. I'm gonna still bring my grab bags with me just in case, but we're gonna put everything in here. So I got my little stool so y'all can see everything that I'm gonna pack. So for one, y'all can see, let me just turn y'all like this. There we go. One more week for my braids. My birthday is in, let me see how many days I got. Child, I can't count. 15 more days. I have not, my braids gonna last me for this week. My nails is hanging on. My toes is hanging on. I already scheduled my lashes appointment. I already scheduled my Brazilian wax self-care. My nails and my feet is going to be done next week. My lashes next week. We're going to make it do what it do, you know? But anyway, let's get into this video. So, I always bring the traveling size Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. I bring Lysol wipes just to wipe down the hotel bathroom, toilet, the sink, the tub, the shower, the desk. I wipe stuff down. I also bring my makeup remover wipes. Remove my makeup, which in Miami I'm just gonna be hot, so I'm not gonna be wearing makeup a lot. I probably do just like a light beat on some days, but yeah. Of course, I have to have my hairspray, hair sheen for my hair. I brought this little empty bottle because I was gonna put water and baby oil in here, so when I go on the beach, I could spray my body so I could be like glistening, shiny, shimmering beach body. So this is the baby oil that I'm bringing. I'm going to add water inside here so my body could be glowing. Of course I brought what is this? This is hairspray as well, which I don't need, but I'm just going to bring it anywho. This is the clean, like a roller to the lint brush, I'm sorry. A lint brush roller. Don't know why, but I bring it. This is my special dry skin lotion that I put inside here. It's still full, it's just like that. But I put that in here. I always bring this with me. I've always put this on my face and my hands. This here is cocoa butter spray. I forgot I had this. And I'm not no swimmer, but I am getting in the pool. As a matter of fact, my hotel comes with a pool. And I just brought some Bday for your eyes, in case my eyes red because of the salty beach water. I'm not going too far in the water, trust me. I don't know how to swim. Right? That's out of one bag. This is the other bag. Toiletry. So like I said, am I bringing this bag? Yeah, I am. Some more Clorox wipes. This bag has our, you know, you have to go with new toothbrush. It comes with a cap on top. A razor. I shave my legs and my underarms in case, you know, my hair grow back so fast. Our toothbrush holders. Hair spritz, which I don't need. I'm gonna put that to the side. Febreze. This is for the bath. I mean, for the hotel room. Like, I like to spray down these sheets with Febreze, and I also spray down these sheets with Lysol. This is here for my face wash. I gotta bring my special soap. It's in the bathroom. I'm gonna bring that with me. And this is just the extra brush for my edges. You know, we gotta get some edges right. I also have 1 minute. Here we go. This is what I use for my edges. Parma's Olive Oil Formula Super Control Gel Edges. This is what I use. But yeah, so that's what I have in this bag. Just imagine me traveling with plastic bags. Yeah, I was. Right, and I think that's it, right? Oh, no, it's not. So, this bag here is my shower cap. Plastic one, another one. But I had just ordered some from Amazon. The big ones. So, I'm not going to need this. So I'm going to put this to the side. I always bring Huggies wipe to wipe our butts in the bathroom where you have to do number 2 TMI, but I bring wipes. I'm bringing a spray because I'm going to have my hair in like a curly sewing. 26 inches long, guys. Yes. So I'm going to put water and hair conditioner in here so I can make my hair stay curly. I'm going to get like a little Glad bag and put some floss picks inside the bag. And this is just a hair bonnet for my hair. This is a soap dish container soap holder. I'm going to put our Dove soap in here. I feel like it's another bag missing. It is. This is another makeup, Almay makeup remover. I'm not even going to need this because I'm bringing my other one. And I'm going parasailing, guys. So I brought this little, my cell phone case holder protector. So I could vlog off my phone while I'm up in the sky, or when I'm in the water, the beach, or the pool. I could have this, and this protects your phone and your credit cards and stuff like that. That's that. It's another bag missing. Here we go. I said I was gonna bring my selfie stick. I'm just doing too much. Take out the other bag. This is my last bag. So this is the Dove soap that we're gonna bring. And then I'm also bringing Dow soap. This is the hair conditioner that I'm gonna put inside here with the water. This is our toothpaste that we use. Opposite White. Colgate. This is his deodorant. Old Spice, but I think he's gonna bring two. He also gonna bring the Degree. Then we also have some Dove. What is this? Go Fresh. What kind is this? Cucumber and green tea scent body wash. I have Perel, kills the germs in your hands, sanitizer, Vaseline, traveling size Visine, same thing. I don't need this because I already have the big one. We bringing some Q-tips. I just bring stuff just to be on the safe side. My deodorant, Secret, and I'm also bringing the Dove spray. Some Listerine. This is the stuff that I use for my face. I thought I had it in the bathroom, but this is the travel size one. So when I use my face thing that I showed y'all, this is what I was talking about. I use this on my face. Johnson & Johnson baby powder, because it's gonna be hot in Miami. Just extra toothpaste in case. I gotta pack some penny liners. I'll pack tampons. I'm gonna pack pads just in case. You know, with me, TMI, my monthly comes whenever they choose to come. And this is my favorite lip gloss. This is Revlon. So I try to just use this only when I'm traveling. That's why it's in here. I gotta get some more. I love this kind. This is the Bacasi child. I can't see what flavor this is, but this is my favorite one. This is my traveling one. This is from Revlon. And I bring like a nail clipper. And a little hair scrunchie just in case. And that's it. That's what's gonna go inside here. So, let's get the packing. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, this one position y'all right. Okay, let's see if we could get all the stuff inside this bag. I'm not packing my makeup in here yet because I'm going out next week too. So I'm not going to pack my makeup in here, but I'm going to leave some departments open for my makeup. So, Lego. Okay, let's go. Let's do this, guys. So many departments in here. So we're going to start off. I'm gonna show y'all when I finish. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. I probably don't even need this, but I still bring it anyway. Let's put this in here first. But I'm glad I did get the big bag. Never gonna be wrong with bringing a lot of body soap, body wash. Alright guys, I'm trying to see what I could do here. Remember, I'm putting stuff, I'm going to leave this out because I'm going to get like a little glad bag and put some in here. I'm not taking the whole thing. I'm trying to make sure I keep looking at my camera because I don't want it to die. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, to eliminate some space. It smells so good. I love the smell of that. Just to eliminate some space. He's not going to bring both deodorants. We eliminate space, child. Just don't have time. But I'm bringing my two. I put it in there already. I put mine in here. I don't see you, baby. Oh my gosh. Anywho. I just don't want to, oh I forgot I got these sides. So we're going to put this on the side. I forgot about that. Forgot I have side pockets, guys. I just don't want everything to be so bulgy. Sometimes I overpack, but it's good to overpack than to underpack. Forgot about my side pocket. We're going to put these side pockets in use. You heard? I just don't want stuff to be so bulgy. Like some stuff I don't need. Oh, we need these. And most definitely. Let's see, this will go over here. Then again, I'm glad I did get the big bag. Ah, I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. Let's put that over here. Alright. Yeah, still rolling. I just keep making sure because my phone's gonna die. There we go. And just like that, my camera died. It died. My fault. but we still packing. Then my thing is, how I'm gonna put this in my suitcase? Like, I'm gonna have to find a way. I don't have much left to put in here. I have like these items here. Don't have a lot. My hairspray. I'm just like, because I'm going to leave these 2 departments for my makeup. Like I said, I'm not bringing my makeup, right? I'm not going to put it in here now because I'm going out next week. So I don't want to put that in there right now. But we're going to have to find a way. We're going to make a way out of a no way. Let's see. Okay, you only have the lotion in here. Can you fit in here with the lotion, baby? Focus on my bag, let my bag sit back. I'm trying to use every department that I can. That's not going to close. Us women always got to pack extra. From my face, I need that. I really don't need this here because I could put this. I could spray my body with this here. I'm just gonna add more baby oil, which is in there. So I'm not gonna pack this. Gotta start eliminating things. My conditioner I'm gonna need, this is from my hair. I'm gonna need this. This is for my phone, so it won't get wet. And you could fit in here. Like, and my hairspray goes on top. And like I said, this gonna go last. This a little scrunchie, just gonna throw it in here. This gonna go last. The only thing I have to do is just put some in here in a plastic bag. And that's it. And I'm, oh shoot. I'm not gonna bring this body wash because I'm already bringing the Dove soap and I'm bringing the Dow soap. Doesn't make sense to bring that. Elimination, gotta go. This is just for the, I'll keep this in the hotel room and we just do our hands, whatever. I could always put my selfie stick in my pocketbook. But let me go get the Glad bag while I'm videoing. Hold on. Oh, forgot my Listerine. But I'm gonna put some of these in here. Don't need a lot. This is good enough. Don't need a lot. Listerine, you got to go in here. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna put these in here. Listerine. Y'all see how full this got? I was saying to myself that I got the large bag instead of the medium. I didn't need the large one, but I did. So I'm happy now that I did get the large one. But my Listerine is gonna go It's over here. It's gonna go over here. There we go. And voila! Nothing else will go in here but my makeup. And 9 times out of 10, I might just put that in my pocketbook. But I could put my makeup could go here and here. Because I'm not a makeup artist. I only do my primer, my foundation, my eyebrows. That's it. I don't do all that contouring and all that. I don't know how to do that. But yes, it made it. Put that like that. And there you have it. And it come with no straps. Lordy. Well, it's going in my suitcase, so I don't need no straps. But here we have it. What I bring whenever I go away, I always pack a bag. I always put it in these kind of bags, my Shein bag, all kind of bags. But I have ordered this from off of Amazon, and I think this is better to have in here. So we good. I put everything in here. The only thing that couldn't go, which I didn't need, was extra stuff. I left out my deodorant, girl. No, I have my roll-on in there. But I'm gonna put my deodorant right here on the side. Like, I don't want it to be puffy. I hate seeing puffy bags. We want to pick my deodorant. It gotta go. There we go. There we go. So my selfie stick is on my pocketbook. Let's put it on the side for now. So we're not bringing this because we already have lotion in there. And then I also have in my pocketbook, I have this in there already. I already have makeup wipes in here. So we're going to eliminate that. I already have 2 things of soap in here. I have the Dow and the Dove bar soap. So I don't need the body wash. I was going to use this in baby oil and water to spray my body down. So when I have my bathing suit, I could be shining, 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 shine. But I already have cocoa butter oil in there already. This is like Spritz hair control. I'm not going to need this. And he's not going to use this because he already have a degree in there, so you're going to use that one. Only I could bring 2 because this is my birthday event. And that's it. These shower caps, I don't need, but I did order some shower caps. Wait a minute. Let me go get them. Okay guys, I'm back. So I ordered this from Amazon. Shower caps, because you know I'm always in braids, and the shower caps that I have in my bathroom now, they be little. So I ordered these from Amazon. I think I can get 4. Yeah, you do. So I'm only gonna bring one of them. Which one I should bring? I'm gonna bring the pink one. I love pink. The pink and brown. I'm just gonna show you how it looks. The shower cap. Oh, don't fall, baby. See? Shower cap. you can put all my hair inside. Oh, the only thing I didn't pack is my hair scarf, which I packed that last. But yeah, this is what I bring with me when I'm traveling. My toiletry bag. That's what I call it. We're gonna put this in here. We're gonna stuff that in there. I need that. And I like the fact that it has a hook. So like I can hang it up. You see that? Cool, dude. Yeah, so that completes my toiletry bag, going away bag that I put inside. Every time I go away, these are the items that I use. Never leave home without it. Thank you guys for watching. I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to show you what I got. I'm gonna come back with a video what I'm packing for my Miami trip. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna show you the items that I have. I'm bringing with me. And yeah, so that completes my items. Make sure you give me some thumbs up, comment down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video, please. And turn on your notification bell so you know each and every time I upload to a new video. You will see every time I upload. This video right here is gonna go out today because I'm gonna edit today. So stay tuned, guys, and let's go.